This is page 45 of the Year 8 theory book. So we just did semitones, and also we learnt about sharps, the sharp sign and the flat sign. Sharp raises a note by a semitone. Another way you can go is E to F for E sharp, and then a flat lowers a note, so from B to B flat. Now, this time we're going to do a tone, and a tone is an interval of two semitones. They have a different name for it because tones is the sort of the more common. If you play a C major scale, I'll just play it here. Okay, you have a tone from here, which is two semitones, another tone, and then a semitone, and a tone, a tone, a tone, and a semitone. So that's why they have tones and semitones, even though they're very similar. So we need white notes one tone high in the empty bar. So what we do is we count two semitones. So we have D, which is here, and E, which is here, and it is already a tone, two semitones. So that one's correct. Then we go here, G sharp. My keyboard's getting a bit messy there. I might get rid of all those things. So G sharp, there's G sharp, and A sharp, which is the same as B flat, and that's a tone there. So we come here to a B, there's B there, and we need two semitones. So one semitone, two semitones. It's that one there. So that is C sharp. So we put in a C sharp. Okay, so I'll let you work out the rest of that. If you have any other problems, message me and I'll try and get back to you. And this one is one tone lower, so instead of going up, you go down. I'm sure you can do that. Question number 3. Draw a bracket over each pair of notes which makes a tone. So from C to D, if we go back to our keyboard, C here, D there, there's a note between it, so it's a tone. So we put a bracket over this one. Now, this one, E to F, let's look at the keyboard. E to F, there's no note between it, and therefore it's not a tone, it's a semitone, so we don't bracket that one. D flat to D flat, well, that's clearly not a tone. A to B, and so on. I'll let you work out which ones are tones. This one's a bit interesting. A sharp to C. So see if you can work that one out. You might have a bit of trouble. And another interesting one is G to B. Let's have a look at that one. So we have G there and B there. Well, it's two steps, but it's way more than two semitones. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 semitones. So that's clearly not a tone. Well, thanks very much. See you in the next page.